Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll resolve one particular error, that is module not found error, EasyOCR. I'm trying to execute that particular project and facing that error. So let's open in terminal here, write python space app.py, then hit enter. So it is trying to execute and giving that particular error, module not found error, no module name EasyOCR. So let's check the Python is successfully installed or not. Click on the Windows key and write edit environment variable. Okay, just click on it, then click on environment variable, double click on the path. So Python 3.10 and 3.10 scripts is already installed and added the path of that particular 3.10. So just double click on it and copy that location and cancel and cancel, and just paste the location here of that Python 3.10. Control V, then enter. See, the Python is already installed. Okay, and script folder is already there. Just go back. So now Python issue is solved. Let's check the error. No module name EasyOCR. So try to install pip install EasyOCR. Then hit enter. So it will downloading the EasyOCR, PyClipper, OpenCV Python headless, scikit image, Ninja, NumPy, image IO, Piffle. Okay, now it is successfully installed. We can check the version. Show EasyOCR. That will show the version like version 1.7.2. Okay, so this will be the particular error, module not found error, no module name EasyOCR, and this will be the solution. First we have to check that Python is successfully installed or not in that system, and we have to install that particular library, pip install EasyOCR. That will resolve that error. Okay, facing more errors, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching under project ideas in computer science domain, then we'll provide projects in machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, mobile development, app development. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.